So I am hoping that you guys can see me as well as hear me, because I have a few announcements to make and I wish to do that whilst I'm driving. I'm just gonna keep my eyes on the road. So the announcement is that I'm going to the 3D Basecamp next week to Palm Springs, and it is a SketchUp conference that happens every other year, and this time I am presenting a topic called Conceptual Rendering. Hopefully it will be a very good presentation and informational stuff for everyone who comes to see my presentation, and I plan on documenting and sort of videoing whilst I'm going on that travel. So I will actually have a long drive from LA to Palm Springs since the ticket was cheaper that way. So I'll be doing that, and I invite you on that journey. So I hope to see you very soon, and thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye.